So here we've got our homemade moonshine. So we've got water, sugar, yeast. Why is it black? Well, the reason it's black is we put some carbon in there, and the carbon helps bind it all together, and it helps us make a cleaner alcohol. So we've got some more of these next door. So this is just a few that I'm going to show you. So now it's almost ready for us to put into our gin stills and then re-distill it. So what I need to do is I need to put this compound into each one. Some more in there. I'm sure when they do it on the TV it looks so much better. And then our last one here. And basically contained in this alcohol, believe it or not, there's still gases in there, so we need to give it a really good stir. I've just poured boiling water and sterilised the actual spoon that I'm using to stir this. Get some more here. It's recommended that you stir vigorously. Is this vigorously enough? I really don't know. I don't know if you can hear it. So now we need to leave that for an hour, and then in an hour we need to put in our turbo clearing product, and what that does is that will get all of the carbon to actually settle in there. So what will be left is with a clear liquid, and then that clear liquid we will re-distill now to create alcohol, and obviously we're going to use that alcohol to make a coronavirus hand sanitizer, or anti-coronavirus hand sanitizer. So the downside is these drums are 25 litres each, so we'll be left with about, by the time we've played around with it, and we'll be left with about 22 litres, 23 litres of neat product. So we're then going to take that and put it into our gin stills, and that 22 litres, once it's actually gone into the gin still and it's been re-distilled, we're probably going to get maximum 5 litres of neat alcohol. So from 25 starting, tomorrow there'll be a bit less, and by the time it's actually finished, that will actually become 5 litres of neat alcohol, about 96-97%. So there's a lot of waste. So there's a huge amount of waste. Now we're just playing at it. So, you know, we're used to using a time-old method of making alcohol, which the illegal bootleggers and moonshiners and distillers would have done over 100 years ago, where we try and get our license from HMRC so that we can buy in a denatured alcohol. We can buy it. We can buy it readily. It's available. We could be making hand cream today, but we can't buy it because we don't have the license, and no one will make a decision. Crazy. Anyway, thank you for watching.